Well, we had a little fire from grease that started with a flat top grill, and it was on Thanksgiving Eve. We came in and this place was full of soot and the propane was pumping out into the building. I made 2 phone calls, one to my brother Steve saying we have a problem, and the next one to PM Leary saying I have a problem, and within 20 minutes Jim Hammaker was here. At that point he took my hands off the wheel and grabbed a hold of it and started steering us through. PM Leary was the tip of the spear as far as the insurance company was concerned, and they had a little bit of wrestling. We went through 3 adjusters and they were excellent to deal with as far as putting our nerves at calm and knowing that we were going to be okay through the whole process. PM Leary did everything from demolition right straight to the finish work, and they really came in and took control. They fought on our behalf for upgrades. Pat and the gang, just you can't ask for better as far as I'm concerned. These guys were really a godsend to us, and they took control, and there was really never a nervousness in dealing with PM Leary through the whole process. Highly recommended.